You know, when we think about the future of e-commerce, it's easy to get caught up in the product. But the real difference between being a market leader and just another brand, it's going to come down to your speed, your intelligence, and your ability to connect with every single customer instantly. Here's a tough question for you. Right now, as we speak, there are people on your site. They're ready to buy. They just have a quick question. But if they have to wait even for a few seconds, they're gone. And the worst part, you never even knew they were there. Those are the sales just vanishing into thin air. And that's the reality, isn't it? Today's customers, they expect everything to be instant, to be personalized just for them. And that demand, well, it's moving way faster than any human team could possibly keep up with. This creates a massive bottleneck. And honestly, it's what's holding your business back. And you see the signs of this bottleneck everywhere, right? It's the delayed email replies. It's those generic, one-size-fits-all shopping experiences that just don't connect. It's having your best people bogged down with the same questions over and over. And that one really hurts. All those abandoned carts just sitting there. That's pure lost revenue. But what if you could just break that bottleneck? Completely shatter it. The solution isn't about hiring more people or just working harder. It's about making a fundamental shift to an autonomous customer experience. So what does a shift like that even look like? Well, it's all powered by a purpose-built intelligent assistant, an AI that's been designed from the ground up to solve the unique challenges of e-commerce.
And I want you to think about this differently. This isn't just another piece of software on your dashboard. No, this is your new, hyper-efficient team member, one that literally works 24/7, never calls in sick, and knows exactly what every customer needs in the moment.
So how does it actually work? It's powerful, but it's also incredibly simple. First, it just plugs right into your site's data, your products, your orders, all your FAQs. Then, using some really advanced algorithms, it analyzes what a customer is trying to do in real time. And finally, it resolves their issue instantly, just smoothing out that path to purchase. Okay, theory is great, but what does this actually look and feel like for your customers and for your business? Let's take a look at this automation in action. It all starts with speed. I'm talking about every single customer question. Doesn't matter if it's about shipping or a product spec or your return policy, getting an immediate and, more importantly, an accurate answer. The waiting is over. This right here is the end of the waiting game. You're giving people the 24/7 automated support they already expect everywhere else. And what happens? Your bounce rates plummet, and you start building trust from that very first interaction. But it gets so much better because it goes way beyond just answering simple questions. The AI also acts like a personal shopper for every single person who visits your site, guiding them to exactly what they're looking for. See, this is where things shift from being reactive to proactive. The AI looks at what a customer is browsing, what they've bought before, and starts offering smart, personalized recommendations. This isn't just about upselling. This is how you create real, genuine brand loyalty.
Now, these features are, they're impressive. But let's talk about what really matters, the impact on your bottom line. It's all about turning all this data into dollars.
Because that's what happens, right? When every single interaction with a customer is optimized, instant, and personal, it stops being a cost center and starts being a direct engine for growth. And you will see this in the numbers, plain as day. By solving problems instantly and guiding people to the right products, the AI drives a significant, totally measurable lift in your conversion rates. And look, this isn't some niche trend we're talking about. The projections are clear. Pretty soon, 85% of all customer interactions are going to be automated. That frees up your human team to focus on the big picture, strategic work that actually grows your brand. So at the end of the day, this isn't just about making things a little more efficient. This is about building a business that can scale infinitely. This is how you unlock consistent, predictable revenue growth without having to hire an army of people. This kind of technology is completely redefining what's even possible in e-commerce. It's about building a business that's not just ready for today, but one that's faster, smarter, and built for the future. The ultimate promise here isn't a piece of software. It's the freedom to scale your vision with absolutely no limits.
So really, the question isn't if your e-commerce business is going to be run by AI. The only question is, when are you going to choose to lead with it? It's time. Automate, scale, and grow.